everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise, and I placed one more order. It is December 23rd. There you go, December 23rd. And I placed a big order. I couldn't help myself. They had so many cute things. I wanted to sneak in a few things for Valentine's Day before my 6-month no spend started. So this is a total splurge, and I ended up back at Simon Says Stamp purchasing some things. There were some really cute things from Lawn Fawn that came out, and then Simon Says Stamp also came out with some cute Valentine's Day stuff. So before then, before we dive into the stuff that I purchased, I ended up with 2 freebie gifts, which I saw this one as a gift, and then this one was a surprise. So I ended up placing an order, and I got this one for free. It's the Candy Cane Heart die, and it actually is a set of 3 dies. I didn't realize that the string was actually part of the die set, but it is. So it's got the heart candy cane. You could definitely like trim around this and just have one candy cane. Yeah, it looks like it cuts out 2 separate candy canes actually. So that's good. I think it cuts out the 2 separate candy canes and then the combined shadow piece and then the little string pieces, which is super cute. I had seen like this image and I just expected that to be somebody tying string onto them, not an actual die. So I think that's really cool. This one is not cheap. It's like 15 bucks. So that was a really nice little gift. So that'll be really nice for scrapbook layouts or Christmas cards next year. And then I ended up ordering some Tim Holtz stuff. And so they included this for free. It said free with any purchase you could get a Tim Holtz thing. So they just included this cardinal in with my order. It's the, what is it called? Oh, you know what? I don't know what it says. Oh yeah, feathered cardinal. So it's actually a lot of pieces to build the cardinal. It's got the nose, the beak, feather, different layers. So you could get really intense with that. I mean, it looks like so. It looks really good. So I was not expecting to get this one. It just happened to be added to my order at the end and I realized it. So I will definitely use that for something. It does look like something you'd use at Christmas time, but I will actually maybe use it for some scrapbook layouts. It's really pretty. It was just a nice unexpected perk, and I was trying to find how much this one cost because I could actually look up this one, but then I couldn't find this one. So I don't know how much this one originally was. The one thing I will say about this is these Sizzix dies. It says Ellison on the back, so that's the parent company. Let's see, I had trouble sliding it in. I already had peeked at everything. But this one says made in China, where a lot of these wafer thin dies are actually made in the United States. Like the die company I used is a die company based in the United States. So I assume all the other companies are using that made in the USA company. But there you go. Like I was kind of disappointed they're made in China, since a lot of them now are made in the USA, and I like that a lot of the stamps now are made in the USA. I love that. So anyway, let's walk through. I finally, after years, got some Distress Oxide inks. As soon as these came out, I was drooling about them, drooling over them, and I never ended up getting any because they are pretty pricey. They're like $6 a piece. So I ended up with just a few to try out in some of my favorite colors and colors that will coordinate well together. So we got Picked Raspberry, Peacock Feathers, and also Seedless Preserve. So I could do something with all 3 colors, with the pink and the purple and aqua, or not purple and aqua, pink and aqua, and also the purple and aqua go together. So any combination of these ones will be great to use for things, but I'm really excited about the blending of this. I like people spraying them with water and they get all blotchy. I've seen so many awesome things with these, and I'm so late to the game. Like, these have been out for years. It's one of those things that if I like them, I want every color. Just like the regular Distress inks, I still want them in every color because they're awesome and they're so fun to use. And so I'm gonna give these a try, and then I'll work to build up my ink collections because I think they're gonna be awesome. From what I've seen, they look awesome. And so this is a combination of more snowflakes because I'm obsessed, and also Valentine's Day stuff. So we'll walk through everything. This is the prismatic snowflakes, and I do want to get the matching die for this. I just didn't right now. I had too much in my order, and I didn't want to waste it on dies that I'm not going to be using until next Christmas, probably. I thought these would even look pretty on a scrapbooked background because they're so graphic and beautiful, and some of them are pretty big. So I plan on using that maybe for a scrapbook layout as well. And then a couple of Valentine's Day things, 2 from Lawn Fawn. It's a set and an add-on set. So this is the special delivery. It's one of their brand new releases, and I just absolutely loved it. I'm gonna take it out if I can figure out how to take it out of this bag. There we go. So it's just super cute. That way you can see it a little bit better. It does have the action stuff, so you can like make the wings flap and things, or you could just stamp them and cut them out. So it's so cute. It's got the little mail bags and little letters. I've seen awesome cards made with this for their previews, and I just had to have it. It was so cute. And then I also got the matching dies for this. I'm not usually into the matching dies, but for this one with all the little pieces, I thought it would be good, especially the wings being separate like that. I thought it'd be easier to stamp and cut. So I got that, and I also got the add-on set. So this is special delivery box add-on, and it's the package with the little hangy thing. And again, with this one, I picked up the matching dies just because it's a lot of components. I thought it would be really cute. And I just love the pictures that they had with the, or the card that they had with the little owl holding down the little special delivery thing. It's got the little signs for the boxes. You could definitely have a cute little box with the hearts flowing out of it. It's just so cute. Now, I don't know. Oh, I was like, what is this line for? It's to make the line on the box. So you could have things poking out of the box. Probably the open box. So it's just really cute. I loved the interactive little elements of this one. So I'm just absolutely in love with this one. It's one of my favorites from them in a while. And then Simon Says Stamp also had a cute one. And unfortunately, they were sold out of the matching die. It was a heart die with a big love you die also with it, but they were sold out. So I ended up just getting the stamp set. I would love to have the matching heart at some point, and I'll see if any of my heart shapes will cut this out, because they had some really cute peekaboo looking cards, or even just peekaboo layers, so that you could see the little heart poking out. I really want that die, but I'll have to save it for 6 months from now because I went overboard. But it's just so cute. I love the little images. They'll be great Copic colored. And you could even do some sort of masking technique and then airbrush this little heart area. I see lots of cute things with this one, and they had really cute examples for this. And I do love the font that they used here. It's just like a typewriter font. And this one is called Heart Animals, by the way. And they may have the matching die in stock already. It's been a while since I placed this order, but I was so disappointed they didn't have the matching heart because I really wanted to use it. So I'll have to order the prismatic snowflake dies and then the matching die set for this. So I have lots of good plans for some Valentine's Day cards. I'll have Livy make Valentine's Day cards for her little buddies in the neighborhood, so that'll be fun. And then one more snowflake set. This was the one that came in the, I think they are calling it the January kit. It's called Snowflake Season, and it's just beautiful. I saw the images of these bigger snowflakes, and I'm just blown away with how intricate and delicate and beautiful they are. Also, these are pretty cute with the stitching around them, so you could just cut them out with circle dies. And of course the sentiments look pretty, and some of them are puns, but I just love these big giant snowflakes. So that leaves me with getting 3 snowflake stamp sets this season, which was overboard, but I don't even care. I love them, and I'll cherish them and use them for next year. And then last but not least, I got 1 stencil. It doesn't show you a better look, so you'll have to look closely there. And it's hearts. So there's hearts on top, there's heart swirly shapes that line up as hearts. So it's perfect for Valentine's Day. This one is called Boho Circle. That's the name of it right there. And it's really cute. So, by the way, I don't think my fingers are stained anymore, but we did sugar cookies with royal icing. I made the royal icing and got the gel food coloring all over my hands. So my hands were all purple and blue and pink, but now it's just like around my nails. So I am still stained up from that from a few days ago, but that's why my nails look gross. But back to stamping, I'm really excited to use this one as a Valentine's Day thing. So I'll use that with my other Valentine's Day goodies and see what I can come up with, because I'm excited to dive in and make some Valentine's Day things coming up. And that was it. So that's my official last order until the end of June. And then maybe I'll go nuts again for 1 order or something. But there you go. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will try to be back Friday for a card tutorial. And so have a great day, guys. Bye.